In Islam, a woman can demand mahr, depending upon the status of the man she's marrying. She can demand anything. Whether 1 million rupees, 2 million rupees, 5 million rupees, that's a different question. If the man can afford and he wants, he will pay. If he can't afford, then either she comes down or she finds another boy. But she can demand. She has the right to demand what she feels she wants. And no one can stop her. If unfortunately, if divorce takes place, she gets the maintenance for the iddah period. And if she's pregnant, she gets maintenance till the time she gives birth to the child. And if she has children, she gets maintenance of the children till they become adult. Financially, she's secure. And if she marries again, after divorce, she gets new mahr. So financially, she's secured. The man has to give. The woman takes. And if the husband dies, even during the iddah period, she gets maintenance. 4 months, 10 days. And if she dies, and if the husband dies, a father dies, a woman inherits. In most of the religions, the women do not inherit from the parent or the husband. In Islam, a woman inherits from the father, from the husband, from the children, from many relatives. So in Islam, a woman is financially secured. This is true and practical gender equality. Allah doesn't say that, no, both work equally. You have to understand, equality doesn't mean identicality. Equality doesn't mean identicality, because the men and women, they are made biologically different, physiologically different, physically different. So depending upon their biological nature, their physiological nature, their physical makeup, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has assigned different roles for different genders. That means that is true equality. Therefore, the topic of my talk is true and practical equality and Islamic solution.